Sam Kariuki here, and today I want to take you through the process of creating your own business manager portfolio or business suite. So, business manager portfolio account. So the first thing you need to log into your Facebook profile. So make sure that you're logged in. This is my personal profile. This is not my page. So what you need once you're here on your personal profile, you need to come to this grade here and come to either professional dashboard. You can click onto professional dashboard there. You are going to land here, then you just scroll down, you come to business, meta business suite. Once you click there, it's going to open to something like this. So what I want you to do is to just click here, click on this drop down. Once you click here, you can come here and see create a business portfolio. Click on it, and then you can fill up all these details and then just continue, click create and you'll have created your business portfolio. Otherwise, if you don't have that, if you're on your personal profile and you don't know how to navigate, basically you're going to see something like this or something like professional dashboard somewhere. So look for professional dashboard somewhere on your profile and then click on it to go ahead and create it. If you don't have it, just come here and type business.facebook.com/settings. Click on it, open that, and you'll have something like that. Then you can click create. Right now, I have so many business portfolios. So basically, for me, I'm not allowed to create a new one, but yourself, you'll have an opportunity to create a new one. So click on create. You're going to see the same, basically the same pop-up where you're going to fill up the details. So that's about it in creating it. So once you have created it, you'll find something like this. So now I'm navigating to Chuoni Tech, one of my business portfolio. So requires verification. So basically these days, you need to verify these things so many times. Or rather, I'm going to go to my training business manager account. So once I'm here, you can see this is what you're going to find. So once you're here, you'll be able, if you click on this drop down, you'll be able to see your personal, you will have your personal account. And then the one that you've created, you can see that I have so many. So I don't want you to use the personal business portfolio that you have there. I want you to create a new one and then use that new one to do the things that I'm going to show you. So basically, once you've done that, you'll have access. You can either access it, choose it from here, or choose it from here. Some of you'll have an opportunity to choose it from there. So this is now the business settings. This is your business portfolio settings where you can see people, partners, pages, add account. You can add all these assets, and you can add your billing. You can have business, add account settings and everything. So you'll be able to manage everything from this business portfolio account. So thank you very much. The next episode, I'm going to show you the different features of this business portfolio. Thank you very much.